So I have here a sports camera. This is a 4K Wi-Fi H.265 camera that you can wear. It's very small, and here it is. It comes with a lot of accessories, which we'll have a look at. But for one, here is the camera. You take this thing out, you can capture footage just by hitting record there, and it has a SD card slot, a micro SD card slot right here, and it comes with a card up to 128 gigabytes and a USB-C port for data transfer and charging. Now there's one button here to hit record. You connect it to the app as well so you can preview it. Check out some of these accessories that it comes with. For one, you have one that you can wear like a watch, so you can wear this thing around, or you can clip it around like a bar or something like that if you need to. It has a mount like this, so you can put this thing in here, and it's got your action fingers down there, so you can clamp that onto any action mounts. And it does come with some of those action mounts like this one right here. Plus it comes with some adhesive mounts to go on like helmets or some other places like your car, things like that. There, if you want to change the angle of it, this has the angle changer mount and a bar clamping mount, as well as they also give you just your standard quarter thread to action mount, and then opposite action mount to quarter thread male, and a water case. So if you're going underwater, you can pop this thing in there and shut this, take that underwater if you need to. And you also have this accessory right here that you can pop this thing on, and then you can just clip it like to your shirt there. You can film this way, or you can even film it this way. Plus they also have a little medallion that you can wear around your neck. So you can wear this right here, snap it on, and then you get that cool POV look to it. So this is what the footage looks like just walking around. This is Las Vegas here. And again, you can go through your phone on the app and change some of those settings if you'd like to. Plus you can see it, you can play back videos, and you can also save some screenshots of the videos. You can change the image resolution all the way up to 12 megapixels, and you can have video resolution from 1080p to 2160 or 2K. You can have loop record on from 1 minute to 9 minutes. And you can just do a lot more things to set this thing up, like even exposure compensation. You can even mount this thing up on your dash, connect it with USB-C to keep it charging, and you can use this as a dash cam, and it does a really good job as a dash cam. It even has collision detection to start or save recordings from the loop recordings just from that, and you can use GPS to see your speed and also your information, how you're traveling. But for how small this thing is, it does a really good job capturing. This is what it looks like right here. It's good lighting, and also here's what it sounds like as well from the microphone. I can see myself with the app, which is kind of nice as well. And just giving it an overall decent shot. So for that, if you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.